Well, it's that time of year that everyone's been waiting for, February 2nd. What day is it? Groundhog Day. We're going to go to Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania for the first time ever and go see Punxsutawney Phil. We're in the car, about to head out. About a 2-hour drive. I don't know what we're looking forward to, but we're currently about 1:30 a.m. in the morning. It's going to be a fun time.
The driver was not entertained.
Okay, here we are, me and the boys, about to see Punxsutawney Phil. Mr. Phil. And Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We've been in line for a while, not super long. No. And this movement has been a little bit far. We're about to get on the bus. It's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, give me a tough quote.
He's got a tough quote.
What's the tough quote?
There's some groundhog in the forecast today.
We're here, baby. There's gonna be 6 more weeks. Early spring. Ezzy, what's your prediction here, baby?
It's gonna be 6 more weeks.
6 more weeks. What do you say?
I'm saying 6 more weeks.
I say early spring. I've been feeling the weather changing slightly. It's been pretty cold this past week, but hey, I need that disc golf weather. It's coming. It's coming. Well, we made it to Gobblers Knob. There's a whole lot of people here.
The hole in the heart and a hug from Punxsutawney. Roll, rattling hog, the hug from Punxsutawney. Where are the rattling hogs, the hogs from Punxsutawney? Hey, for the truck and the fans and the fans and the show and the knob and the knob and the dawn and the dawn and the scrolls and the stump and the hole and the hog and the hog. Oh, the rattling hog, the hog from Punxsutawney. Where are Tawny Phil, every year in February, weather will we see the spring flowers grow, sting and o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Happy Groundhog Day!
Welcome to Punxsutawney!
Yeah!
Welcome to Groundhog Day! We know the drill. You ready? Are you ready? Groundhog! Our friend, your friend, his handler. This is August the Room Rainmaker. Woo! And the only man who can speak Groundhogese, the current president of the Groundhog Club Inner Circle, that's Tom Dunkel, Shingle Shaker.
Shingle shaker! Ow!
It's time. We're going to talk about this cane. This cane is handed down from president to president. It gives me the ability to understand fills in Groundhogese.
No way.
Through winks, nods,
that's crazy.
chirps, purrs. I'll be able to understand Phil and know which stroll to choose.
Miss my burrow. I miss my coop. So I'm headed back down. There's a shadow up here. Get ready for 6 more weeks of winter this year.
We're booking it to the exit. We are not sure where that is. Okay, what did we just find out, Izzy?
6 more weeks of winter.
No.
Who would have
Can you
guessed?
believe it? 6 more weeks. You ready for 6 more weeks, David?
I'm ready to go back in my burrow like Phil.
We trust Phil. We got
You
him.
do trust Phil?